In a remote valley, a curious student learns that true survival starts with listening to the land. They map streams, identify edible plants with caution, and practice shelter building under a forgiving dawn light. Each skill is framed as a daily classroom, where patience replaces panic and questions become experiments for everyone who follows. When rain arrives, they adapt a tarp into a roof, turning fear into a confident, practical plan. Leaving at sunset, they carry a simple truth. Education in nature teaches resilience more than any textbook at home.